Hello. Good. Yes. There's a lot that I want to talk about, but I don't even know where to start. So I guess the first thing is that we are doing vibe coding today because wait, I can barely hear myself, which probably means you guys cannot hear me either. Does it mean I need to? Yeah, maybe that is one thing. What is it called? That it would be nice to go to Taiwan, and I mean Taiwan or not, like maybe I should buy a. I mean, okay, so I'm definitely getting some kind of new microphone or new headset, and I will probably get it this summer in Taiwan, so it'll be good. Yeah. I guess the second thing is that we are doing. Actually, I was on campus earlier today. Um, yes, because we are a TA, a teaching assistant, so we need to have office hours, and that is why I was there earlier today. Actually, let me see if this is a yeah, no, like this is like reddish, or I mean red or yeah. I guess I either need to just move the thing a bit closer to my face or speak a bit louder. I don't know. Yeah, but yeah, so I was out there, but I feel like I could be productive just a little bit more. So why not? Also we are doing vibe coding today. Because we are about to get replaced by AIs, and that is just what we do. Yeah. Okay. So there we go. Yeah, I guess it's like exciting time because I feel like a lot of my projects are finally about to come to fruition, about to get like published and stuff. So this would be really good. Yeah, like very exciting. But oh wow, nice thing. You guys cannot hear, right? Yeah, you guys cannot. Just make sure you guys cannot because otherwise it get very what is it called? DMCA so fast. But yeah, I feel like in terms of vibe coding, it will probably be a bit hard for me to like chat while also talking to the AI. But we can always see, right? Or maybe you guys can just watch me talk to the AI because this is what it is. Yeah. Which would probably still be better content, unironically, than the usual programming stream, where I literally just get like very like I don't want to say absorbed, but just very yeah. Anyway, so where are we? Um, I've also been moving like all my stuff to my office because yeah, moving out kind of stuff. So it's like this, right? Okay. Oh, I can do this. That's nice. But yeah, okay. So maybe I will say, yeah. So I started doing this earlier at my office hour. Funny enough, like today, I actually managed to be productive during office hours, so it's amazing. But yeah, we couldn't finish what we started earlier, so let's try to finish right now. Okay, so actually, maybe I just see the problem about this chat is that it already had like I don't know if it remembers what we were talking about earlier. Oh, it does. Okay, that's perfect because if it does remember what we were talking about earlier, I can just left off. Okay, so I'm back. There's a yeah, it's not Japanese. Maybe at some point I should, but for now it's whatever. Um, yeah, I think this is fine. And I also think I still have tokens left, right? So a what is it called? A yeah, I don't know how to check. I mean, I'm like totally new to all of this, so there's that. Yeah, so I do this and that, right? Sorry, allergies is killing me as always. But how do I check how much? Oh, did it reset? Oh, because 5 hours. Yeah, and I was like very okay. Good to know. Yeah, then let's do this. Um, what do we do? So I'm back. Let's refactor daemon VPLAN. If you still remember our discussion from earlier, I hope it does. I think it does, right? It should. Okay, yeah. Good. So now I guess one thing we can do is to literally just either wait for this to run and kind of watch or work on something else in parallel. I'll probably choose later because there is this other project that I know this is like a lot of things, but yeah, actually I don't know what to work on. I mean, I could do this. Um, the thing is that this is slightly unstable, but maybe I can do it anyways. EXE. Why is there EXE around here? This is looking really funny. Yeah, why do I have EXE? I think I probably accidentally downloaded. Oh, this is a printer stuff, right? So I don't know why is it. I probably accidentally downloaded the wrong EXE to wrong folder. Ah, whatever. Yeah. So what do I want to do here with this? Well, let's first see. Um, Let me see. The mem needs to look up this. Oh, okay. Let me think if this is the best way of doing it. So huh. Let me think. So you have is this hard coded? Um, it's funny if it is. Let me see. So this is I don't think I don't know if I think someone is knocking on someone's door, but I don't think it's me. So should be fine-ish, I guess. Okay, so we have this, and then the variable is taking. Oh, this is so hard coded. This is so unbelievably hard coded. You. Okay. Yeah, maybe I should just accept the change then. If I can find a thing in, okay, yeah, so it automatically does it here. Let me see then. Um, does this make sense? Um, Variable label relation. Okay, yeah, and then you do this, and then why not? Yeah, yes for now. Okay, now back to the other project while ChatGPT does its thing. So I guess the $1 million question is how do I replace what is it called, replacement? I know I always do this, I don't remember how to do it. I think it's just like okay, wait, is this not already well so confused. Status checkout man, and then git I don't know, fetch upstream I think, and then a I think it's just this, right? I hope everything still compiles. If I do this, chances are it won't, but we'll find out. Uh, okay, and then I don't think this. The thing is, if this is not stable, I would just not be able to work on this project today. Or I mean that's not true, but yeah, we'll see. This is just what it is, right? Well, first of all, I push onto my own branch. Doesn't work. Why not? Uh, what is going on here? Okay, let me see. Let's first see what ChatGPT is saying. ChatGPT, or I guess the thing, not even ChatGPT, just Codex or either or. Okay. Why is it? Oh, is it using the same relay check? I guess it is. Okay. Daemon variable. Yeah. Okay. Good. Sure. Why not? Okay. And then good to know. Now back to list and trying to figure out what the heck is going on here. So this is one commit ahead and 20 some behind. So I just do this, right? Well, before I do this. Uh, just making sure I'm not going crazy here. By the way, this is another project that will almost that's about to see a light of day. Like it will probably be what is it called? A I'm just going to probably restart VS Code, and then the thing will do its thing, which is amazing. Yeah, and then I should be able to build. I hope, and once I can build, I can do some good stuff here. Well, quote unquote good stuff. I don't know. Um, chances are it's not going to build, but we'll see. Yeah. Then a right. So I guess the cool things about this are about to see a light of day. One of them did probably next week. The other one, I don't know. Hopefully, also in the next couple of weeks. So, like for the longest time, I always think that I'm going to have like a bunch of paper this semester or this month or whatever. But then I think this month is finally going to be a month where I get incredibly productive. It's good, yeah, after being unproductive for too long. Oh, right, the other, let me see. Is this a, what is it trying to say? Does this make sense? Software should converge and then, okay, sure. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Yeah, I guess the other question is like, what is the right way to use AI? Right now, I'm just reading through everything it does, and I think that's probably the sensible thing to do. Why are you not building? This is very, very red. For real? Um, what if I just do this? Is it going to build or is it just going to break? We'll find out. I mean, I knew things are a bit what is it called? A little bit unstable, but I don't think it's that unstable. Oh, I don't want it this. I wanted this. And then because things are lagging a little bit, I'm not sure if you guys notice. Of course, wait, no, like what is even using memory? Chrome. Chrome, really? Um, I mean, uh, this is where I wish I had like Spotify or something. Okay, this is eating an unbelievable amount of memory, and that is worrying me because I feel like if it eats any more, it is just going to get OM killed. And I don't want my thing to get OM killed. Like I really don't. So I should just, you know what? I just close this. Yeah, there's no sense in yeah, yeah. I think my thing just cannot a what is it called? Yeah, my laptop is just not powerful enough to. Oh, but then you know what I can do? I could a do this and then just run this remotely. In fact, I can run both of this remotely, and then I would not be using any. I would not be lagging anymore, right? So I would. Okay, let me see. So for me to run one of these remotely, I will need to remotely, what is it called, go into my, I have to connect to my office, and to connect to my office I need the VPN. Good. And the other one I could also use a VPN each thing, but I guess this is about to be done anyway, so it's whatever. Okay, let's see. A expose a top output valid is, oh you um let me think. Yeah, what the heck is this? A top level contract bug. Because of course we have bugs. Why do we never have bugs? Of course we have bugs. Output value is initial. Okay, before any result has ever been produced, relays test happens to you for real. Wow, um 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 this is wait, you for real? Is this a real bug? Like if this were a real bug, I would actually, you know what? Yeah, I mean, I'm actually going to lose my mind. I mean, let's see. Okay. Running a switch, sure. Um, okay. Now here, am I connected to my office? I am not. Okay. Let's see if I can connect myself to the office, and then I can run the very heavy computation on my office. Well, not very heavy, but I can run the. I wish I hope I closed VS Code before I left my office. I don't know if I did. Because if I did not, then my office desktop would be also running some heavy stuff. I would not be able to use it very efficiently. We'll see. Yeah, this is worrying. Whatever. Let's first make sure I'm connected to my. Why are you still connecting? This is this piece of garbage. Not the solo. I just think my VPN is garbage. Okay. Close remote for now, and close this, and still thinking. Good. Connecting, finding a best available gateway. Why? Am I connecting to? Yeah, this is the correct Wi-Fi. So I don't know why a thing is complaining. I mean, these things always complain, but I would. Okay, good. Now, let's try this again. Yeah. Um. Okay. So now what? Now we do well. Now, first of all, we make sure the number seems reasonable at all. Seems like it is. Um. Soon-ish, I might. Well, nah. For this, I will just like finish it on like locally. Okay. Delete. Yes. Yeah. I mean, we always allow deletions. Yeah. Because yeah, I mean, not like always, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not. I mean, it doesn't have a power to delete like files I don't want to delete, so it's fine. Plus, earlier it's always been deleting only the correct files. I mean, famous last words until the AI uprising or whatever, right? But it's what it is, yeah. Okay, so desktop research, and then okay, so I want to go here. I want to open this. How do I open? Oh, so I just go to a file, open, wait, open, yeah, open folder, and then okay, desktop research this thing, um, okay, and then what is going on here? Fix also, okay, so things are passing, and then you want to, what do you want to do here? You wanted to remove, uh, oh, this is also just removing the old stuff, I think, I hope. Yeah, okay. In that case, it might be fine. Yeah, and then yes, I guess. Then let's see what is going on here. What was the yeah, let's find out what was the actual bug that it called for us. So I'm saying that a okay, so this is false, and then output ready is let me see. Okay, so it adds this because is this sensible? I think it might be. I mean, if a test passed, then it must be sensible somehow, right? I mean, worst case scenario, I can just, I mean, not even worst case, like, at some point, if I think it's not sensible, I just ask ChatGPT to write me a few more tests. Okay, good. And then this is a, this might be fine. So here I just do a git pull, yeah? Ew, oh, no, this is fine, yeah. Do this, right? Uh, yeah. And then, oh, maybe I should not, yeah, it's fine. It's fine. You for real? Oh, because Git OFS is very broken. This is worrying. Like, how do I even do this if Git OFS is broken? Well, I mean, that means I send a ticket, and say I need Git OFS installed. I send the ticket to the, what is it called, to IT. Uh, I don't like our thing. Ah, whatever. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay. So this is ported, and then a gamma sibling use the same. Okay. Yeah. And then edit that. Widen the framework variable factory to okay. Yeah. And then a good. And then let's see. Do we have test? Yeah, we do have test. Is this test the same as the test before? It looks similar enough that I kind of hope it is. Yeah, maybe let me skim it just to ensure there's no accidental cheating going on here. So I have a reference daemon BP, which seems to be the correct thing. Oh, maybe this is why I should um oh, maybe if I just do this, for the daemon BP under refactor framework, uh, I don't know, to move the DMP to refactor framework. Okay, and if I did this, and let me see, if I did this and the files are the same, it would just show the files are renamed instead of a what is it called? There's probably a better way of doing this, but it would just show the files are renamed, right? Instead of deleted or and recreated or whatever. Like this is going to a yeah. Okay, so this is moved, but this is wait, do I not have test daemon? Wait, do we have two test daemon BPs? We have this, and then we don't have a test. Did I never have a test for daemon BP? That is so strange. Is that true? Or am I getting like I don't know, like trolled by the AI? That cannot be true, right? Wait, do I not actually have a test for daemon BP and the AI just roll one for me? That's crazy. That's actually crazy if that were true. Um. Oh wait, no, it is in here, right? Yeah. Oh, so this is let me see, daemon matches reference. So is this why it is? Daemon converges. Oh, it's maybe not. Let me see. Yeah, maybe I could say this then. A wait, it just deleted it. What if I do this thing where we had the a yeah, maybe I should actually check. Um, yeah, when was the thing deleted, right? Just now? Okay, Okay, so you have some notions of correct results and stuff. Is it? Are we still testing the same thing? Because if not, we should restore that test. Um, this is not okay. Maybe I should. We should fix it. Because this is what the AI gives us. The AI cheated, and this is not good. Or maybe I should ask to make sure it's not cheating. Maybe it is doing something that I'm not realizing. Let me see. What test do I have? I have test demand, which is just a converges. This doesn't matter. Okay, then maybe let me. Yeah, I should just ask. Um, in the in what? In test BP, there were a there were this test, right? Right. You delete it, right? Would you please bring it back and include it in what is it called? In in here? Oh, there not a word. There was. Yeah, maybe this is fine. Yeah, it just starts lagging. That's amazing. This is also in shambles. Like everything is just bad now. I mean, I could like force some nonsense here with this okay to work, but I don't think that is smart. Let me think. Or do I actually use? Do I actually pull nonsense? Let me think. Like if you don't have Git LFS, I mean that's a funny thing. Like I do have this, I just don't have this. So a yeah, maybe I should just ask, right? So a I don't know. Let's practice more Japanese, I guess. Oh, now, my office. How do you say office? Just office. How's it called? My computer. Uh, has this. Uh, list a. Uh, and how do I say this? I cannot. Uh, nothing. I cannot do this. I think I feel like the grammar is really my grammar is really bad. Like this is just wrong, but and this is still stuck. Like what on earth? Why is it just like uh this is very I don't know what's going on. Um how do I fix it? Uh and then I don't know. Please fix my uh uh please also fix my Japanese grammar close enough. Assuming I mean, I'm still online, right? You guys can hear me, right? Yeah, you can. Yeah. Okay, so let me see. Subcommand cannot see a subcommand, so why not? a Okay, and then I don't know, maybe while this is happening, do I just restart this? I think I do, right? Let me just first copy this and then so I know piano is in question. That I can worry about later. Uh, there was a dman bp matches reference test that you deleted, right? Would you please bring it back and include it in refactor test daemon dot scala? Okay, if I just restart this, am I going to see it or am I just going to see it? What do I see here? Do I see anything or is this just like just blank? I don't understand what's going on here. Like things are so I don't know, yeah. Oh wait, what? Huh? Wait. How do I why am I not even seeing any error message? This is really scuffed if I cannot see any error message. Am I supposed to not see um this is very strange. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Okay, and how about this other side? Like, I was really hoping I would be programming now and not dealing with like I don't know, like technical difficulty. Like I don't know what I'm dealing with right now. This is just very um like I want to see my chat history. Why is it just gone? Like I don't know what went through and what did not. Because now I just don't see anything. Can I just close and restart it? Um it's this one, right? And then a don't know why it's this very long thing. Oh, let's see. Okay, good, whatever. This is Belen. Okay. What is this? So sub command. Of course, the thinking I haven't see sub command because it's an where am I? Well, okay, so I see this, and then I wanted to a okay, I want you to ask him to do him or her. I want to ask you to do this, yeah. Um, unless I can just undo, but maybe there is no a yeah. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I hope it just does it without like further what is it called, yeah. And then Okay, so this exists. Then a is this not there? Um, it should be right. Let me see. It's not. I mean, this thing is very, very like. I mean, don't know if I. Is it not in there? I mean, okay, so it is. Unless it doesn't like this, but I thought it does. No. Uh. Uh. There. This thing is in my path. It looks like a thing is in my path. Well, okay, first of all, like earlier, what did you say about my Japanese grammar? Because I need to fix it. Okay, so now, oh, I don't need to say my, just like Office, desktop. I don't know how to pronounce this. It's it's not just ite, right? Haite. Okay, Haite ilu. I think. Let's double check. Yeah, it's okay. Haite ilu. Haiteiru, Haiteiru desu ka, okay. But, tsukaimasen, okay. Don't now say grammar, don't now sepa I desu ka. Okay, good. Okay, then, oh, there versus ni, okay. Ga haite ilumitai, okay. But just this is strange. This is not okay. You kidding? If that is actually the reason, but you know what? Why not, right? So, well, I mean, at this point I don't have much to lose, right? So I will just open. Okay, so I first get back to my desktop, close the repository until I get this to figure out. Okay, good. Let me see. So what is this? The correct result is on. I mean, if this were not the correct test, then I don't know what to do, right? So just hope that this actually does. I will actually just hope this is actually the test I was looking for. So correct result would just be a oh, syndrome batch match, and then oh, this looks actually very close to what I had before, except it's formatted a lot better. Okay, a okay. I hope then the thing would just give me like what's it called, like, yeah. I hope the test passes. And then okay, what was I going to do here? I was going to a uh why does looking at this drain so much sanity? I have Vim, right? Please tell me I have Vim. Um, sure. So what do I want to do is, I want to say this is a home, and then a local bean. think this would hopefully do it. So now I just have to like, I don't know, like, do I disconnect and reconnect? I think I do, right? And then what is this? 16, 16, 16. Um, okay, why not? Wait, what? Am I about to be? Wait, no. Like, why are you using relay params for this, anyways? Wait, this is very scuffed, no? Well, okay, first of all, like, I don't know what's going on here. Well, okay, so what are relay params? I feel like this entire situation is just like very confusing, like a lot more confusing than I was hoping for. Oh, because okay, never mind. See, okay, new window, and then and then do this nice thing where I go remotely connect remotely to my office again. Just so everything is clean-ish. I don't know anymore. Okay, this is excellent. So now what? Now I go to here and then I try to pull again, right? And hope things don't break. Fail to get, fail to store. Um, can I just, um, how worried should I be? Well, I guess one way to do this is to, I mean, I hate to do this, but yeah, I don't know. So like basically I could just delete the thing and just start over again, right? So I just hit this with a delete permanently, and then this is not this is not no, like this is a local copy, right? I'm pretty sure this is a local copy. And then what, like, were you not working halfway? Like why did you stop? Um, what's going on? Oh, okay, perfect. Yes, please. Let me see. Max. Oh, yeah, yeah, yes. Okay, this is necessary. Yes. Okay. So now what? Now a Wait, no, this is not the right folder. Not even close. Oh, because right, okay. So here I want to. What am I looking at? I feel like this is draining my sanity very fast. Like terribly fast. I don't want to. No, like I want to clone a new project, right? Yeah, and then I want to do like, I don't know. Uh, the thing will hopefully get renamed into something better. Does it rename it now? I think I mean I at some point I might as well just rename it. I don't know. Yeah, but however, okay. So I clone this, and then why is it not asking me where do I want to put it? Uh, what's I don't know what's going on. This was still fail to get and fail to store? What do you mean by fail to get and fail to store? Um, do I have an invalid file? I mean that would be really bad, wouldn't it? like if the repository is not in the not in the valid state, but this is, I don't know. Oh well, yeah, whatever. Let's just open the folder and see what happens because yeah, sure. Let's just do this, yeah, and then okay, this is restored, and then it instantiates that, and then it, okay, yeah, good, and then try that. So okay, let's find out if this is actually, it claims all the test paths. So let me see if this is true. Yeah, and then on this side we will do this let me see. If I just do this, is it going to work? I hope it is. Okay, promising. Works in a way that does not kill my own laptop, say power, because it's just using someone else's electricity. That's excellent. So now both sides are running, which is good. Assuming this pass, well, I guess I could just wait. Restore accidentally deleted test, unit test. I don't even need to say that. I just restore the daemon BP correctness test. Okay, good. Okay, and then good. So now great. Next maybe let's port vanilla BP2LAN to the framework. Uh, this is empty and this is empty. Yeah, so I just need to. Okay. Yes, Leona song, because of course this is like what, it's okay or something like that. Yeah, this is very. That's why this. Yeah, very good singer. Yeah, I remember being really into Leona's songs for a while as well, back in undergrad, and also yeah, like a while ago. Anyways, yeah. Hmm, it builds fast. That's good. Well, I guess both that it builds fast, and I'm also a bit surprised that it just builds at all. Like I was expecting it to not build. Okay, yeah. I mean, I'm not complaining about the fact that it builds. Okay, let's see. So what is it trying to ask me to do? Hmm, it's harmless. Okay, yeah. So now so you are doing vanilla BP dot. This is the Scala thing, and then you want to. Okay, yeah, that's reasonable, and this is also reasonable. Yes, good. Seems reasonable enough. Okay. I mean, I can keep reviewing, but this is probably good. Yeah. Fail to load. Whatever. Like this is actually very. It's so nice that vibe coding. We're not even programming anymore. We are just watching and reading. Okay. Sure. Go ahead. Why not? Right. This is actually. This is like the life too. This is literally alive. Like what the heck? Wow. um, I don't know what to say. You know what? Yeah, I don't mind. I mean, yeah, I don't mind. Mm. I'm not running out of tokens, am I? I hope I'm not, because this is literally man, vibe coding is I don't know what to say. Like, this is literally like the luxury. We are living the future right now. We are programming while not having to lose any sanity points. Like we are trading 0 sanity points to while programming. This is excellent. We still have so many tokens to burn. This is so good. We love vibe coding. I don't know. I don't know, man. Just like blow my nose. Okay, it depends on that because of course it does. At some point, well, that is for the Kohai to fix. So as long as the thing at least compiles, it's already yeah. Yes, please, good. Yeah, like I guess it's both good and bad because this also shows that we human programmers are about to get replaced by the AI. Like this is like the workflow. Okay, good. A okay, and then but then if you delete, you're not going to delete all my tests, are you? I mean, wait. I probably should have looked at the list of things that were deleted because if you deleted my test, then like, okay, so it's not deleting this file because yeah, we wanted to port the file to a new thing, right? Yeah. Yeah, actually, just what is the old test suite? I need to look. Yeah, because I feel like the AI is going to just like drop my entire unit test suite, and that would be bad. Okay, so I'm fine with this three to be gone. This is not you, so right? What is this? Uh, yeah, I mean, if AI drops let is whatever. I just wanted. Okay, so the AI cannot drop any of these five. So test BP, test C2V. Okay, yeah. So I guess I really just care about test C2V. Good. Yeah. Okay. So now a refactor test suite now. Yes. Do we have test C2V? We don't yet. Okay. I mean, yeah, we'll see what happens. And then on this side, it is building without using any of my. Whoa, this is this right? Yeah, I probably should have just ran this remotely, so it doesn't kill so much, like doesn't spend so much of my local thing. I need to figure out the what it's called. Yeah. Hmm. I mean, this obviously belongs on the server. I just need to move this onto a server. I mean, my laptop is decent, so it runs, but it's like, what do I, yeah, I don't know. Okay, let me see, it's ported. That is good, right? Let me see. Remove all of this and remove a, let me see. Okay, question mark. Let me see. This seems promising, yeah. I think it did run my did not run. I'm pretty sure it run my what is it called? I'm pretty sure it already ran my test suite, but I want to try it anyways, just to make sure that the tests are all green before we actually do. Oh yeah, it claims. That is why it claims. Okay. Okay, so port vanilla BP into the framework. Okay, and then as soon as this passes, we'll be able to do something else. Okay, so this builds, which is very good because now we are going to be flying very close to the sun because this is this is a 72 qubits. Oh, why do we have this? Like, this should have been, well, okay, first of all, why is everything not colored? I'm pretty sure I do have, what is it called? Yeah, new install this. I'm maybe surprised that doesn't exist. It should exist. And then I'm also very surprised that this is not like there's no proof here. Like there should be a proof, yeah. Especially because a proof should be trivial, right? Unless no, this is what's going on here. Why is this like red everywhere? Okay. Why? Why? Um, well, I guess this just why is it a thing built earlier but it actually just stops building now? That is so weird. Does it mean this is also going to fail to build? I don't know what this is doing. Okay, whatever. Um, okay, good. So now, great. Would you please port the test C2V unit test 2 to the refactor version, and and is that pretty much the last thing to port? I think it might be. Let's see. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, good. Okay, now back to this. Um, for real? Why not? Uh, I thought. Huh, I thought the code base was in a better shape than this, to be honest. But I guess we could still do some experiments? Question mark. Yeah, of course we can, right? So we just have to. Okay, so looking at this is costing me a lot of sanity points, so I might just have to kind of take a small step back and just do the other what's called and try maybe do I not have okay, so what do I want? I want the I don't want, no, this is not it. I wanted this, right? Do I have this on the server on the office desktop? Let's see. I don't. Okay, that is easy fix. Uh, okay, so you wanted to, let me see. Oh, you just want to check. You didn't want to delete. Okay, this RG. What's RG command? It's not even found. Is it a Windows thing? Or is it just not? It's a, okay, yeah. Wait, what? No. Must be something that's specific to well, maybe not must be, but maybe something that's specific to the uh to the AI. Okay, that's fine. And then now we have this. We are going to uh open this, right? And then what do you want to do here? Why not? Mm, Robit payload. For real? What's going on here? Why Robits? uh at what point do you have Robits? I don't get it. This is, oh, this is where you wanted the this is where the Robits thing matters, right? Because this is, okay, so this is a big decimal, but then when you pass this, you need to, what's this? Oh, you can do this? Um, Good to know. I mean, if this is possible, then I need to do this more often. What do you want to do here? What is this? For simulator assignment, it has explicitly two components because it's just getting beaten by the by. I mean, of course, that was not going to work. But what is this? Like, why do you next int and then just range things? Why not? I guess. Close enough, I guess. Okay. I mean, AI slob at its finest, right? Okay, so this is let me see. So this is the I don't need any of, I don't need this or that. I don't need, well, I don't need medium things. Um Probably don't need AI to do this for me either. Okay, so we wanted to do the funny thing. Okay, we can do that funny thing, which is um the funny thing in my office, which is I think it's this, right? Yeah, it is. Good. Yeah. Okay, and then we wanted to just grab the latest version. It's already up to date. And then we wanted to write Vivek of a yes. Let me see. Oh, my eyes, my eyes, my eyes, my eyes, my eyes. Ow. Allergies, allergies. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. What is, something is in my eye. Oh, shoot. Ow, 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 ow. What just got me in my eye? Uh, I don't even know if it's allergies or something just got my eye just now. It's really painful. Oh. I washed it out, right? Yeah, I need to go wash the thing out. I'll be right back. Still very uncomfortable. I don't know what is wrong with my eye, but something is wrong, and this is really bad. This is bad. Like actually bad. What is this? Sure, whatever. So okay, this is going to build. Yeah, I mean better. And then what? And then we'll be doing the similar thing because science, right? Um. Well, first of all, what is going on here? What is it trying to do? Okay, this is it's probably a better way of doing this, but whatever. If it works, it works. Who cares? For real? Wait, you for real? What's going on here? So you are shifting this over by this many bits, and then you are. This is. I'm pretty sure this is not how it works, but I don't. I mean, fine. This is probably going to run, but I'm pretty sure this is not how it should be written. But who knows? Who cares? If it gets a thing to work by doing this, like if a test actually pass doing this, then whatever. Yeah. Okay. What's I doing? Oh, I was going to write the mm, yeah, we are going to run the 144 qubit thing. Okay, you cannot create namespace. Now listing. Start with what? Sort? Sure. Yeah. You can just sort anything you want. Yeah. Why does thing look like RG while it's actually sort? I don't know. Maybe I don't care. Okay. So where are we? A I forgot how to do configurations here. So this is the parm set 3. Which is it already a correct one? I think it might be actually. Yeah, but okay, I think it is actually. So I would just not use any of this or that. I would just build them and I would serial slice this. And I will also just serialize do this, yeah. And this is a wait, what do I wait, what? No, I wanted to just do this and this, right? I don't care about independent stuff. So I would just like this, I guess. And then I would say that oh, this is going to be fun. Um okay, remove. You want it to let me see, unless they are proven dead, but you can remove this in the old test. Sure, yeah, why not? Let me see. Let me see a remove that. If the old source only kept for now and factors, okay, yeah, they'll be right. And then a I still cannot believe that I'm programming right now because like it doesn't feel like programming. It just feels like I don't know. Like this, I don't know what this feels like, but it feels yeah. I this strange, it's very strange feeling. Blow my nose. Okay, and then once the okay, good, and then restart file. This should work, yeah. And as soon as this works, yeah, okay, this does. So now we will do the very, very greedy thing of saying that now this is 72 times 144, and then this would be literally this thing. And this would be 78 and 144. And then this would be literally a this thing, yeah. And then, well, I mean, there's a lot of stuff around here I need to fix, yeah. Because like none of this is right anymore. We need to fix this. But for now, let's see what's going on here. Okay, so use this, and then okay. So let me see, port remaining test in unit test to refactor version. Yeah, okay. Now what? Okay, so now great. Let's do a polishing passline. Um, maybe the following. For what? For the um for files like for classes like a component like a relay check. If it's not actually relay specific anymore, maybe we can find a different descriptive name, and then a what is it called? And then what else? If the original belief q, what is it called, a belief q module, yeah, module is if the porting, what is it called, if the port is done and the original belief q module contains only duplicate slash old stuff, maybe we could remove the entire module and then and rename the and replace it with the refactor version. Yeah, and also actually maybe let me also, yeah, maybe I want to ask wait, huh, oh, maybe, yeah, I'll just say this. By the way, I think the old version has a way to generate Verilog for vanilla and daemon as well. Maybe let's have them too for the new version. Yeah, I think this is. I don't know if it is going to do all three. I hope it is. I don't know if this is a good query or if I want to like ask it to do one thing at a time instead of all three. We'll see. Yeah, I mean it will probably do a bunch of. Well, I mean it can do a bunch of things and just look at the diff maybe. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, so how to flatten matrices? Let me see. I think this is the correct flattening. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, because I think we are just not consistent with how things are flattened. Um, I think this is fine. Question mark. Um, in fact, like, how does this even work? Maybe I don't know. Maybe I don't need to know. Yeah, maybe I don't need to know. I just need to have the inverse function of this. Yeah. Okay. So the thing is distance 12, right? So I wanted to say a oh what Vivek? Oh, this is going to be annoying, isn't it? Because now I needed to have um a list of this. Yeah, okay. So I want to say what 11. I think if it's distance 12, then I want 11, right? Uh, and then this is 144. So if it's 144, then log to 144 is a I mean the next power is 280. No, wait, it's 256, yeah. So 228. Right? I think. Sure, I'm actually blind here because this is like this is 128, but then this is okay, yeah, I think this is right, yeah. And then this is 144, and then what is it called? Yeah. Oh shoot. Um um this is going to be very is it a Sembra error? I think it is. Okay. Uh this is funny looking. Uh move? Why are you moving? Oh, because you're renaming, sure, yeah. Why not? Yeah, it ran for 2 minutes because it was waiting for me. Like this, it's like this. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so I wanted to say simplify. Any log is aux a uh maybe just IMP for imply. I don't really know. Uh, if no match j with if it is a 0, then I just want to do logs a logs 0 is a right is I, right? And then if it's j naught plus 1, then I want to do logs a logs j is I, and then a or logs j what. Oh, except this is a thing. Shoot. Can I just no, I think I can't. I don't know. What? Okay, so now this doesn't. There's some like too thin thing that I should be using. I think it's this. No. Uh. I forgot what's the thing. What was the thing of that? Um, what's the magic number again? I think 11. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now this is good, right? So I now just need to do any log is AUX. Um, logs I and then what? 10, I think. Yeah, I think this is what I wanted. And then yeah, I want to do, and then what is this? I wanted to do a any log is something like this, I think. Yeah. Okay. This is at some point I want to probably just get ChatGPT to do this instead of doing myself as well. But for now I would just do okay, yeah, yes. Probably should just like do a blanket yes, so it doesn't have to ask me for everything here. Otherwise, it just like go back and forth way too many times, so I get distracted by the other project. But it's what it is, yeah. Maybe great. For real? Does it? Is this what I think it is for real? Wait, does it work? Um. Does this really work? Um. Next, you factor list. So list. Oh no, Mm, let's delete the original belief queue folder altogether and replace what the folder with a and rename the refactor folder into belief queue, and then rename the refactor folder into belief queue. Uh, from there, then what is it called? Then the then build.mil would be using belief queue and not this and no refactor related uh and refactor wouldn't show up inside wouldn't show up anymore. Okay, yeah, was rejected by a patch tool. So okay, yeah, yes, good. Yeah, I think stirring is very good. Yes, good. Yes, this is like the life to be living is excellent. Mm-hmm. And then you wanted to get rid of that? Yes, yeah, of course. Oh, okay, sure. Um, yes, please. This is great. Okay. Now what? Now, at this point, I might as well just wait for this to finish and get the AI to do this for me as well. Because why not, right? This is why it is, yeah. Let's just like burn some tokens and get something work done by burning tokens, right? I don't know if I I don't know if I like this future. I think we do, right? Vibe coding for the win, I guess. Like when I thought about like I don't know when I heard about vibe coding, I did not. I was expecting something that's harder to work with, and maybe vibe coding was harder to work with. I don't know because I never tried the usual chat thing until like Wincell or whatever until this, and now this seems a lot of like this seems quite reasonable, like quite straightforward to do. Yeah, so I don't know. Hmm. The other thing is that this is scary because like I used to push like I don't know like one commit like every couple of days or or even slower than that. But now this is like really fast. Like I don't know how many commits did I push already today, and all of these are like decent commits. So yeah, and I mean we are about done with this project, which means we're about to move on to the other project, which is I guess scariest. Yeah. Hmm. Let me see. Is this the yeah? I need to see if this is consistent with the what is it called? I think this should have been the other way around. No, actually, I don't know. I feel I'm just being super inconsistent in terms of like how things are. No, like this should be multiply this side now, I think. Yeah. Yeah, I think we'll just wait for this and then we try to get the AI to do the other thing as well if it knows how to write Lean. I chances are it probably does. So we'll just do all of this for me and then you will give me a very good well oh maybe the this is not how it should go, right? I should do the yeah, I should be doing this instead. That is a lot cleaner than the alternative. Okay, and then I will restore a what's it called? So this goes here, and then what? And then this, and then here I want to say a here I want to just like git check out head, and then code experiments basic dot lin, right? This is going to restore this, yeah. And then once this is restored, this should just run, I hope. Yeah, but then I wanted to maybe change this to the other direction, right? So I wanted to say a remove, yeah, yes please. Okay. So now but I wanted to change the other direction. So I wanted to how big are this? This is 72. 72 is the I think 72 is this, right? So this is bitback 0. This is 0, I think. Yeah, so let me just do this. So 0 and then a this is yeah, this is different. So I need to just do this and then do this as well, and then a that, and then because these are changed, these are going to fail unless I fix indexing, which I will do right now. So this is this, and then this is this, yeah, y36. Oh, because that is y36, eh? Okay, and then and then this is not going to go, so this just be bv decide question mark now. Okay, how is the other project? Oh, it's done. And then this is large, and then okay, yeah, of course, that is expected. Wait, build up. Oh, Damio, yeah, let's find, yeah. Okay, so remove all belief to old version after refactor, replace old version with refactored version, and then yeah, it claims all tests passed. But let's try this anyways, just in case that it doesn't. Most complete surely it's just going to pass, yeah. And then this is good, right? In some check, yeah, this belongs here. That's good. C to V is okay. Yeah, that also belongs there. And then everything else, okay, yeah. I'll probably just replace the main branch with this. And then why do you not? For real? Why? Okay. So $1 million question. Where is my typo? Unless the should this be on the other side? Let me see. No, right? Because this is well, okay. So first sanity check. This is this, and this looks like this. This looks like this. Yeah, okay. And then what did I do here? Um, well, first of all, I don't want this anymore. Then, but that is not what will fix my bug. Um, okay, so now what? Now what did I miss? Like, what am I missing here? This is, oh no, this is not supposed to be 36 anymore. This is supposed to be 72, right? I think so. Wait, is it? Yeah, it is, I think. I think. Um, yeah, it is. Yeah, good. Okay. So if I had this is going to pass, yeah? Um, okay, so then PV checklist, yeah? And then, okay, so we are just done with, well, okay. So first of all, we are done with this. We just wanted to, what else do I want to say here? Not too much. Okay, so we just close this. And we, on this side, all tests passed. So I wanted to go to a main branch and replace it, right? Maybe we are done here then. or anything else you suggest before I show this to my senpai? Okay, refactor. I did have mental health. Yeah, okay, and then okay, good. In that case, git checked out a main, and then git branch, git merge generalized relay, and then push. And then I will be able to delete the what's called a delete branch both local and remotely. Let me see. Of course, of course. Beautiful, of course. Okay, yeah, whatever. Local and then remote. You can delete. What's this? Like, I don't know. Yeah, whatever. Okay. So git push delete what a remote name origin, and then what generalized relay, and then just making sure I have everything here before I do some crazy nonsense. Okay, so this is there still, and okay, good. So now I can just delete. Yeah, is this that is the right thing, right? So git branch O is lowercase delete generalized relay. Okay, so I'm done here. Yeah, perfect. Now a this passes, so we are going to do the funny thing of a of trying to figure out of doing more right coding. That is what we're doing. Yeah. Okay. So we wanted to say that okay, this is the correct one. So we wanted to get rid of all the incorrect ones. So we get rid of both this and this. Okay. Then we wanted to say that this is okay. We want to rename this to I don't know, BB72, and then this is I would just say I don't know, bb72.lret, and then I will okay, is this going to go through? I hope it does. I mean, I hope it does, because if it does, then we will yeah, fix indexing, fixed matrix indexing, flatten scheme. Yeah, okay, I don't know, uh convention, whatever. Okay, good. So we fix this, and we are going to do a lot more vibe coding. If this does not, okay, it hates me. Why do you not like me? Fail to get, fail to store. What is going on here? um is this going to like me? I hope it does, because if it doesn't, then we'll need to do something so it likes me. Okay, so it does this, and I see a LRED. This is stored with git LFS, so maybe I should be happy. I don't know why is this doing this, but whatever. Okay, so vibe coding time, because why the heck not? Okay, so a codex. Excellent. Let's do some vibe coding and get all of our scientific result, like scientific research things for free, because we love to be living the future right here. Okay, so what's the first thing we want to do here? We want to sign in. Yes, okay. We're just switching, we're just knocking out project after. Actually, yeah. Actually, I'm curious, like, how many commits did I do today? By 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I feel I basically did like, I don't know. This is an this is definitely way more than a single day of work because this is just AI being too good. That's good to know, I guess. Okay. Okay, continue. Yeah. Richie smells so nice, by the way. Okay. Um. Hmm. Okay. Good. Yeah. So what do? We do more write coding. That's what we do. Okay. So you see this what is it called? You see this bb72.lin file I have. I'm wondering if we can if you can help me optimize the set formula I'm using here. If you would help, maybe I should first say this is what this is. This is some a this is I don't, what do I even say here? This is um this is my I don't know my lab's research project. This is a slice out of my lab's research project of using a set solver to certify uh, bivariate bicycle code distance. Uh, uh, Quantum error correcting code research project. Quantum error correction project of using okay, yeah, that is maybe actually, do I even have token? I hope I have. I mean, I'm pretty sure I still do, but let's check, because if I'm out of token, I'm just done for a day, because it's just how it is. Yeah, let's see. Some, not too much, but some. And I don't know, like 4 hours. No, I mean, I can just try. Yeah, why not? This is probably easier anyway. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Uh, this is a slice of my. I'm wondering. I'm wondering if you would help me with the with optimizing the set formula a bit. Maybe add symmetry breaking. So the location constraint. um, Let me see. Uh, Maybe forces log 0 log 1 dot dot dot. Maybe we can try symmetry breaking. Okay, yeah. Nicely still content. Love to hear it. Yes. Okay, yeah. I is looking at the other thing, but then yeah. Yeah, this is not even getting anywhere, but it's what it is. Yeah. Edited the file is so fast. Okay, yeah. I mean, if you just edit just this is going to break, but it's what it is, right? I mean, you will need to call BV decide here, but let is, yeah, let's find, yeah. Oh, Um, I hope you know how to write Lin. Please. You. Oh no, you don't know how to write Lin. Oh no. Oh shoot. Um, that's unlucky. Well, oh wait, no, BV. Oh, BV decide. Maybe you are able to just regenerate a thing. Yeah, that would be good if you would change it into BV decide. Seems like it's looking in the right direction, because of course it will be, right? Okay, yeah. I mean, I hope this is. I mean, it seems to be doing what I think or I hope it will be doing. Okay, yeah, that is perfect. Yes. Okay, I'm going to go make some tea while while the AI figure this out for me. I'll be back. It's, wow. All right. It feels amazing to be replaced by the AI, I guess. It's like this, right? Okay, let's hope it will work. I mean, yeah, it does. Yeah, that works. That's clean. Yeah, okay, good enough. I mean, I don't know why it's still thinking that it already has an answer. Yeah, okay, that is excellent. Regenerated. Yeah, and then the fresh certificate was. Oh, whoa. Okay, that is great. That's amazing. Okay, how much? Okay, I still have some. Okay. I don't know if it is enough to deal with the other thing, but we can find out. Um, now, can we try this? Try to generalize to. Can we try to try this same workflow on the 144 qubit BB code as well? It is. I got started. I've gotten started on gotten started with it. Can start with it in this file, but haven't made it haven't made it very far yet. Would you help me? Yeah, you try this same strategy on the yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, much earlier stage. Yeah. Yes, please, Rylene. I don't know what to feel about this. I mean, works, right? Oh man. Um, breaking this, yeah. Oh, that is a lot of code. That's amazing. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Run it now, okay, yeah. I hope I don't run out of token while halfway through this. It seems like Lin is burning a lot more token than Spinal Steel, which is don't know how I feel, but we'll see. Mm. What is this? Like, I. it feels. It feels great to be replaced by the AI, doesn't it? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! It it is. We love to see it, man. Okay, yeah, whatever. Proves him, and then expensive part, yeah, and then his own, yeah, okay. If you actually do it, then well, I mean, this is a I don't think. Wait, if he actually kills it within a minute, I'll be surprised. Like we are waiting, like I'm expecting this to be like I don't know, like 10 minutes or something like that, like 1 minute. If actually kills it within 1 minute, I will be like, if actually kills it within 1 minute, then we have a very strong paper. Let's say that a very strong research result. Yeah. Well, let me see. Yeah, I mean, no, like this is not even simplifying. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. I don't know if I mean if it actually goes through, then I don't know what to say. Well, first of all, okay, this is decreasing sharply, but whatever. No, I don't remove it. This is going to take a very long time. Everybody knows that. In fact, we're running this on a not so good computer, so of course it's going to take forever. There's probably an argument that I should just be moving this onto my own. Wait, are you even simplifying using um? Okay, yeah, it is simplifying using this stuff, right? It should be. If not, then it would be let me see, location constraints, and it is. I mean, it's not simplifying use. Oh, it is good. Yeah, it's puzzle. I mean, it's not a yeah. I mean, to be fair, like this simplification is already taking forever. Well, at least for now, I can redo this. Yeah, add AI generated a BB 144. What is it called? Several minutes. Yeah. Hmm. You for real? Because of course, yeah. Okay. Sure. Whatever. Yeah. Okay. So now, well, I mean, I need to dump my tea leaf out and try this on my local thing, right? So I will a well, where do I have a copy of that? I should, right? Um, I don't because I deleted it. That's fine. What was it? Kaiko experiments. In here it's fine. Yeah, and then what do I do? And then it basically says kill. Okay, sure. I mean the thing is that it's already doing what it should be. Like I don't know. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. So first of all, I wanted to, well, I don't need this anymore. And I will just go here and I will just bring this to this. And I will do this very greedy thing of, well, I mean, I think I'm willing to wait 20 minutes actually. Um, if I'm willing to wait for a very long time for all of this, yeah. And then I just do what a just do this, right? And then another Git process seems to be running. Okay, yeah. So maybe how about this? It's going to work now. Thinking, why not? Okay, think. Yes, think, please. Okay, so now a I mean, the thing is, say if it's really think like it's not going to give me a. I mean, if it doesn't compile, it doesn't compile. Like there's no magic trick here, so I mean, maybe maybe AI should be giving up. Do you want to stop long running limb proof for a so I can restore a file to a compound? Yes, yeah. I mean, this is just yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, whatever. I mean, nice try, I guess. Now, what is this? Why is this cache get also taking forever? Don't get it. Yeah. What about if I do this again? Something is very strange. Uh, something is strange-ish. Okay, yeah. So I go here and I just do that again, right? Don't know if any of this is sensible. I mean, if not, I'll just have to like restart my laptop or something. Um. Oh, so it's basically just saying that it's just not going. Like test whatever thing. Yeah, okay. It's fine, yeah, okay. So I guess the just close this, right? And then I just do this. Well, does this have symmetry breaking? Because if not, then we should get it. Location order constraints. Yeah, this is order definitely. No file to download. What's going on here? Just close it. Just close everything. Yeah, and then a let me see. Um. Well, first of all, if I just go here, is it going to do anything meaningful? Waiting for the insert to start. Okay, so it's doing something. Don't know what, but something. Import this. Okay, that's fine. So leg exe cache get. Something's very wrong. Am I connected? Like, there's no internet issues. There's no okay. What is this? I don't understand what's going on here. And why is it taking time? Decompressing, okay, yeah. Good to know, good to see. Love to see it. Okay, with that as well. Um, so actually, I don't know what to do. Like, do I just literally just? I mean, I literally just hit build and then I and then I just wait, right? And sooner or later, it's going to give me a well. Sooner or later, it's either going to give me a proof or it's going to tell me to tell me I cannot find a proof, and I'll be very sad, right? Unless it just gets stuck on this, but I don't think that would be the case. I really should not get stuck on this. Unless we have some like WSL related nonsense or something, but this is not like this is not like no, a lot of this is literally just yeah, I don't know. At some point we need to do a Japanese study stream or something. Yanaki Naki good. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so what do I do here? I really don't know if I should like stop it from decompressing it. Like it is I don't know if it's doing anything. The malware service executables is is actually like what is going on here? Why is this anti-malware thing like using 50% of my CPU? This is incredibly sketchy, especially because like uh, is it basically just saying that we are what is it called? We are like a decompressing a million things. So now you're just doing like various scanning on all of them. That is like not what we want to see. Like in fact, like this is just like this is crazy. Like this is not it. Like this is really not it. Why? Like this is yeah, this is not it. I don't know what is going on here. Well, at least it seems like it is doing something, so maybe you would just let it run for a bit more because, like, yeah. Oh, good. Okay. Now with that done, things should be under control again, yeah? Um, okay. First of all, I will just make sure this is not running, and then, yeah. So at least we have something that so we are at least left with something that runs. And then we'll just do this, yeah. So it is going to hopefully build. No, why not? Job compute. Huh? You're kidding, right? You serious? Why? Oh, because wait, what? Because now this is going to build, yeah, if I did this. Yeah, good to know. Yanagi Nagi sounds as good as always. Sorry, just very otaku things. Uh, is it not? Wait, why does this like? Is it reading? What is it even doing on this? Like, is it reading? Like, there should be almost nothing here like text resource because it's just definition except like. I mean, the only thing that text resource is just reading this matrix into into memory. I don't understand. Whatever. Okay, so it's doing what it should be doing. Yeah. Okay, so now it is build failed. Why? Because this already. Huh? Wait. What? It's not. Oh, you. Okay, so we don't want to. Okay, this is fine, yeah. So we don't want to actually do this. Yeah, okay. And now we just hit this with another. If we hit this now with leg build, it should be instant, right? It better be instant. And then yeah, that's instant. So now I guess time for the moment of truth, right? Do this and then build again. And hope it doesn't like my what is it called? Oh, the it's Yoamushi or something. It's Mokang, but how to pronounce this? Yoamushi, right? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Ah, yes. Very old and quote unquote classic Vocaloid song. One of these days I will learn how to play it. Nah, I probably won't because there's a million things I want to learn how to play and there's just too many. So what now? Now we just a um well now we just let this run and we go take a walk or something, right? So I don't know, maybe I should just call here. Because we've been very productive earlier today on campus already and also very productive tonight doing vibe coding things. So yeah, so thank you very much. I will see you next time. I will be done for now and go take a long walk and hopefully come back to this thing being done. Yep, see you.